Welcome to this video. If you are starting a new e-commerce business or this is the first time that you're running Facebook ads for your business and want to make maximum out of your low budget, then this video is for you. If you are looking for a perfect Facebook ad strategy for low budget, then watch this video completely. So I am going to share with you each and everything that you need before running Facebook ads. What kind of strategy, what kind of budget, how to set KPI, all these informations that make your campaigns super smooth. Watch this video completely. So for those who are new to my channel, my name is Divyang and I am running Facebook ads from 2020 and able to generate more than 50 million in revenue for my clients. So let's start the video. So here you are on my screen. I am going to break down every key point that you need to keep in mind before running Facebook ads. Right. Facebook ads need to be simple. They don't need to mess up your life and do not take a lot of your time. They need to be really crystal clear what kind of ads working for you, what kind of ads not working for you, what is your KPI, this much amount you need to spend before making any decision. These are the things that you need to keep in mind, right? So what is the best strategy for running Facebook ads for your e-commerce or Shopify business, right? You need to run one single campaign with one goal and one country. Generally, our goal is to get sales, so we are going to focus on sales, and our campaign conversion goal is purchase. That's it. You don't need to go to another campaign objectives and start experimenting. You need to stick to this, right? First one is clear. One campaign. Second point is KPI. KPI is a number that you need to set for yourself, that this much amount I am willing to spend to get my purchase, right? So this much amount you need to keep in mind. So how you can set that? One conversion into three. Like, you if you have a cost of conversion, say $40 or $50, you need to multiply it for three times. That is $150. This much amount you need to give before making any changes or doing any adjustment to your Facebook ads, right? So it can be cost of purchase into three or AOV into three, right? You need to see for yourself that this much amount I am willing to spend to get the conversion and multiply it by 3. It can be AOV or cost of conversion. If you have an AOV of $100, you need to multiply it by 3 and $300. That $300 is your KPI that you need to set and see that this much amount you need to spend before making any decision, right? So when we start running Facebook ads, so for example, that you are willing to spend $25 to $30 per cost of conversion, right? But before making any changes, you need to spend at least three times to make that decision concrete, right? On first and second days, Facebook ads are unstable. They need time to run, right? So our cost of conversion is $25 to $30. So ad set must be spent around 25 to 3, that is 75 or $90 minimum. This is the bare minimum that you need to spend before making any decision. And our daily ad spend is $30. There are three options that you can do. One campaign and dividing your $30 daily budget into three ad set: $10, $10, $10. Doing broad targeting, open targeting, we are not choosing any interest or anything else. You can choose interest if it's really broad. If you are going into micro interest, then please don't do it. You are just wasting money. In particular one ad set, what you can do, you can run ads manually, or you can dynamic Facebook ad creatives or flexible ads, because dynamic creatives option is not available anymore in the ad accounts. You can use flexible. So what you can do is you can either create three manual ads, right, or you can choose DCT. And what you need to do in that particular ad set is you can test three images or three videos or three carousel in each ad set. Don't mix images, videos, catalog with each other. Why I'm saying that? If you are mixing images with videos, Facebook will try to spend more money on images, because image ads have broader placement possibilities and they are a little bit cheap. So So Facebook will spend money on that. So it will not be a fair competition between two videos and one images. So to make things really clear, use three images over here, three videos over here, three catalogs over here. So what changes that you can do is, you can use, if you're running Facebook ads for the first time, then you can create three ads with different primary text, three different headlines and same video, or similar three different videos with same marketing angle but same primary text and same headlines. Same goes to the images, or same go to the catalogs. I hope everything is clear at this point. Either you can do ABO or CBO. But what going to happen in if CBO is there, that Facebook will try to spend money on single ad set most of the times. Like Facebook might spend around $20 over here, $10 here, $0 over here, to give the fair chance. If you think your ads are really good, that you want to give fair chances to each and every ad set, then you need to choose ABO. How much longer you need to run these ad set? See, our cost of purchase is $30 multiplied by 9, and $10 into 9. This much time you need to give Facebook ads for this setup. That is, this test will give you much better view on ads, that what is working, what is not working, make your decision making much better. You can scale instantly after this test. Only con with this setup is that you need to run these ads for complete 9 days before making any decision, whether you want to scale these ads, or you want to make iterations, you want to change something. Before 9 days you cannot change anything, right? See, go with the ABO, and if you have time, go with this second option. What you can do is, now we are running one campaign for only one ad set, spending around $30 in this particular ad set. Here we are doing three ad sets. Here we are doing $30 for single ad set, right? Now what you can do is, now you are running only one ad set. What else you can do is, similarly, either you can running one DCT or create a three ads. To run three DCT, you need three creatives, images or videos. You cannot test them in a single ad set. So you need to wait 3 days before making any decision. Either you can start with images or videos, whatever creative files you have available. You can make any decision after 3 days only. This setup will make your decision faster, whether you want to test more or want to scale. But you cannot test multiple things at once. You have to wait for 3 days to spend around $90 and before making any changes. It will take 3 days to finish this test. Simple. You don't need to turn on CBO for this, because you are not running any competitions or not giving any more variables to the Facebook. So it totally depends on you. Here you will get complete decision in 9 days. Here in option 2, you need to wait for 3 days to make next round of iterations in this setup. Third option, we are creating two ad sets with $15 on each ad set. Three creatives here also. Either they can be DCT, or here also you can use DCT. But if you don't have these three media files, you can just simply create ads manually. Right. So now how much you need to wait? You need to wait around 6 days to make any decision. 9 days over here, 3 days over here, 6 days over here to get the correct data and make a correct decision. While running Facebook ads, you don't need to put your intuitions that this can work, this cannot work. Always rely on data and make best decision out of those data. That is the whole point of Facebook marketing, that you can see things that are clearly visible in front of you, that these things are working for you. You need to make these changes. You need to set your boundaries, set your KPIs, right? So again, here, images, videos, whatever media files you have, you can use. This test will take 6 days. You can test these two things at once and get better understanding of ads. So if you see, I've shared these three options with you. If you have very low budget or just starting off or want to see, personally, I can choose between these three. It all depends on your client or running Facebook ads. If you have lot of time, then go with this option. If your client doesn't have lot of time and want to make decision faster, then go with this. You can have a little bit more time and test something more, then go with the option 3. So all these options are good. None of them is incorrect. You have to just see what kind of time frame and what kind of patience level you have before running Facebook ads. So this is the starting point for you guys. Whatever situation is with your new business or with your new e-commerce store, or what is your if you are running Facebook ad for the first time, you need to see what kind of situation you are in. If you have lot of time, go with option 1. If you have less time, go with option 2. And if you have a medium if you are in middle of these two options, you can go with option 3. All these options will give you the correct decision. So if you need my help, you can reach out to me using the link in description, or you can book a call with me if you want me to run Facebook ads for your business, if you have a minimum budget of 10K per month. I hope this video makes sense to you and apply this strategy. Thank you.